So today I'm going to show you how they put some lentils in. It's the same way we did it ever since the 1960s, unless you had a backhoe or something to help you get it up there. And then at the end of the video I'm going to talk about moving things the way we did it in the old days. So here we go. These are the lentils that they put in, and that's the name of them. That's the backside. This is the part where the cement goes through, and then they use that saw to cut them. Now we're up on top, and I'm going to put a bomb beam going right through. But if you get down there, and you can see it, down in here they got a rod going through that. This is all going to be filled with concrete right away around. And let me show you some pictures on that. So I caught those guys down here in Florida working, putting the lentils in, and we did it the exact same way from the 1960s. They had diamond saws. We didn't have no diamond saws back then. They didn't come around until the 80s. You'd have to order it or you'd have to make it. On my prior videos you could see how you make your own lentils, or you got to form it, put your steel beams in, and then pour the concrete and make it that way. But in the old days you get 15 guys and you move it up and you put it in the center, a beam piece, and you keep moving this up and then roll it into place. That's the way they did that. I have some videos on my playlist installing lentils over a doorway, cutting a brick and block doorway open, and when you have to lay it over a steel beam, sometimes you put a steel beam in and you put it over. I got a video on that. It has to be able to expand and contract that steel beam so you don't crack your masonry. Show you how to do that. So again, from down here in Florida, thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. I'll see you next video.